Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a kitchen appliance that promises to simplify your cooking experience while keeping things compact and efficient. We are talking about the GIHETKUT electric cooktop. If you live in a studio apartment, a dorm, or you just need an extra burner during the holidays, this 12-inch ceramic cooktop might be exactly what you need. Let us start with the design. This unit features two independent heating zones that provide a combined power output of 2200 watts. Each burner sits at 1100 watts, which is honestly quite impressive for a device that runs on standard 110-volt household power. This means you do not need to worry about specialized electrical installations. It is plug and play for most home environments. What really stands out to me here is the control system. In a world where everything is moving to touch-sensitive glass screens, GIHETKUT has decided to stick with physical knob controls. I personally love this. Knobs offer a tactile response that touchscreens just cannot match. They are easier to use if your hands are wet or if you are wearing gloves, and they are significantly more reliable for older users or those with vision impairments. Plus, the inclusion of a physical child safety lock feature makes this much safer around pets and curious children than a standard flat touch interface. Functionality is versatile across the board. You get 9 different power levels, which allows you to do everything from a delicate simmer for your sauces to a high-heat stir-fry. Because it uses infrared heating technology, it effectively transfers energy directly to your cookware. The best part about this specific ceramic model is its compatibility. Unlike induction stoves that require specific magnetic materials, this electric cooktop works with almost any cookware you already own. Whether it is aluminum, copper, stainless steel, or cast iron, you are good to go. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the energy efficiency is excellent because the heat is focused where it belongs. It is also incredibly easy to clean. Since the surface is flat ceramic, a quick wipe down with a cloth once the unit cools is usually all you need. It is also very portable thanks to its handle design, making it a great travel or backup solution. On the downside, being a ceramic top, you do have to be mindful of hot surfaces. Unlike induction where the burner itself stays relatively cool, this ceramic glass will get very hot, so you must be careful not to touch it while in use or immediately after. Additionally, because it is a compact 12-inch footprint, using two very large pots at the exact same time might feel a bit crowded, though that is a common trade-off with space-saving appliances. Ultimately, the GIHETKUT electric cooktop is a solid, reliable, and user-friendly piece of gear for anyone needing a flexible cooking solution that does not sacrifice performance for size. It balances modern heating technology with the reliability of traditional knob controls perfectly. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen setup or add some extra versatility to your countertop, this is definitely a contender worth considering. Link in the description.